What's up? Brian, BH35 Sports Cards doing Spectra 4-box break number 4. That's a half case. Take you over to here, show you our teams. Does that. Anyway, sorry about that. Here's your squads. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. I hope you do well. I should time this. Did we say that Chip Tooth was someone's dad? Maybe TE? Is that what you said? That's your dad? Ow! Damn. Boxes are dangerous. Here we go, Spectra football. First card is Teddy Bridgewater. There you go. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Bishop Sankey, Titans. Troy Aikman Blue, Cowboys. It's the 49. Andre Williams die cut, Giants. 10 out of 25. Mercedes Lewis, 1 out of 10. Troy Polamalu, Cornerstones, Steelers. That's the 49. Khalil Mack, Raiders. Gold Marquise Lee, 25 of 25. Phillip Rivers, Booyah Sauce, big hurt. Look what I got. Phillip Rivers, 10 out of 25. Hooray me. Bishop Sankey. One's to 49. Dual, Jarvis Landry and Odell Beckham Jr. They went to the same college, LSU. That'll be a random. Johnny Manziel and Mike Evans. He's got the Buccaneers. G-Fed. Charles Sims, Bucks. Jared Abbrederis, red for the Packers. That's Pretzel, 6 out of 10. James White, Patriots. That one is to 149. And Allen Robinson. There's a little bubble seam there in that one. To 49. That is your first box. No, you do not, Sean. You don't have anything in this one, buddy. Brandon Oliver, Player of the Week. S.P. Collins. I don't see your name on the list. I could be wrong, but I don't see it. Matt Ryan, Kadeem Carey, Troy Polamalu blue to 49 for the Steelers. Alex Smith die cut. Doofus, he went out. He had a date. Victor Cruz gold, 8 out of 25. Phillip Rivers cornerstones. Tama Ali. He dates that sideline reporter on Major League Baseball, the girl for the Red Sox, Jimmy Garoppolo, whatever her name is. Jeremy Hill, RG3, and Alfred Morris for the Redskins. MK card breaks to 49. Blake Bortles for the Jaguars. That one is to 199. Johnny Manziel blue to 49. Jake Matthews and Rashid Hegman for the Falcons. Rizzo. Yeah, not yet. Henry Josie for the Jaguars. It says Jaguars. Like the legal print. James Wright, Bengals. And Zach Mettenberger, Titans. 2 left. Inappropriate text. What is this? Rubber? OBJ, they had a really cool one last night. Now I've been making the catch. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals to 75. Jeremy Hill, Bengals to 149. Ryan Matthews to 49. Jimmy Garoppolo, Patriots. 15 out of 49. Tom Savage, gold. The Texans to 25. Rizzo? I don't know. He lives in California, so it's still super early out there. Dynamic duos, Eli and Victor. 11 out of 25 for the G-men. Paul Richardson, Seahawks. 199. Texans. Jadeveon Clowney. There's a Carlos Hyde, no auto. Jumbo relic to 199. Tom Savage, Jadeveon Clowney, dual for the Texans. Teddy Bridgewater blue. Vikings. It's to 49. Odell Beckham Jr. to 199 for the Giants. A.J. McCarron, Bengals. 149. G. Prosh, Texans. That one is to 49, 47 out of 49. Scott Crichton gold for the Vikings. And Bob Lilly again for the Cowboys. Crichton's to 25, Lilly's to 49. Last box. Good luck. You got a link, TE? Chris Borland? I think I know what card you're talking about. Frank Gifford? EJ Manuel? Wow. You know why that picture's sideways? Because it's off center. But it looks good. Looks good on the angle. Jadeveon Clowney to 49. Dynamic duels. Not anymore. Damn it, Bears. Jay Cutler, Brandon Marshall. That is 2 out of 5. Sammy Watkins, red. Nice. Bills, J-Fed. Boom, 9 out of 10. Jordan Matthews, red for the Eagles. 1 out of 10. Philly, 33, Barkley. Charles Sims, 199. Brandon Cooks to 199. Falcons, Matt Ryan to 199. Clowney and Khalil Mack, Texans and Raiders. Raiders is J-Fed. Texans is Smalley. On to 199. Bills, Sammy Watkins. They vary, I think. I could be wrong, but the Scott Crichton auto was to 25. Maybe they're all to 25. I don't know. 25, it looks like. Derek Carr. They look good, though. To 199. Sammy Watkins auto. Boom. J-Fed to 149. Shane Scove, blue to 49. You win a small wood for Rizzo, and that's a good way to end the break. A little TD sauce right in our face. Terrell Davis. Got all on the sticker. 6 out of 25. Nice card. A couple cards to random off. 3. This one, and this one. Take you over to the randomizer. You got a base card. Oh. I got a bunch of Topps Chrome. Send you some hitless packs. Giants and Dolphins. Sooner Steve. Browns, Enigma, and the Bucks. J-Fed. I like J-Fed. He's a Buckeyes fan. Houston and Oakland. Okay, here we go. First one is going to be Odell Beckham and Jarvis Landry. This is numbered 66 out of 199. Put you both in twice. We'll randomize it 3 times. Top team gets the card. 1, 2, 3. Going to the G-Men. Next one is the Browns and the Bucks. The Buccaneers. 59 out of 99. Johnny Manziel and Mike Evans. 3 times. Team on top gets the card. 1, 2, 3. Browns. Enigma. Houston Texans and Oakland Raiders. Jadeveon Clowney and Khalil Mack. This one is to 199. 136 out of 199. Both in twice. Going 3 times. Team on top wins. 1, 2, and 3. Oakland Raiders. Oakland Raiders taking it home. really close. Oakland Raiders. Let me mark this down. All right, cool. That's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below.